how to join Pocket Option Affiliate Program. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to visit this link that I'm visiting on or showing you guys, which is affiliate.packetoption.com. And over here, you're just simply going to click on registration. In the registration page, you're just simply going to enter your email and password and then enter a reCAPTCHA over here and click on sign up. Since I already have an account over here, let me sign up or sign in really quick. And as you can see, I will be redirected to the dashboard over here. After you sign up or actually register, you will automatically be logged in and be redirected to this page that I'm looking at. This page is where you will be able to do your affiliate links. As you can see, so if you click on affiliate links over here, you will then be able to use its different features as you can see. What I do recommend though is that you complete your profile. So if you click on my profile over here, there will be an information or informations that you have to fill in. So simply fill in all of this information over here so that you will be able to get some rewards after completing your profile. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.